Okay. So I explained column distribution for you. Then somebody said cannot see his data. Larry. Larry, faculty said I can see my data or I can't.
Sorry, I can't see my data.
When you load your Power BI.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me close. Sorry, class. I'm starting my Power BI again.
Okay.
Okay. From this point, you click on open. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes, I am.
Okay, click on browse this device.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Open.
Am I going to meet a doctor in person?
You want me to go back?
Oh.
Glad, are you with me?
I'm with you.
If all things being equal, when you click on browse, it will come here. Most of the time, if you have changed your entries, simply go to Drive C, locate my folder.
Okay.
When you get to that my folder, pause a bit. I will tell you when to connect with me again. Just hold on.
My wife, 1, 2, 3 at home.
You will get inside my folder. You will see all files. Can you off your TV? Can you off your TV? Inside all files, open it. You will see your PA300. Can you see that thing I'm doing? Can you see it in your own? Hello, Larry. Larry, are you there?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. Come to my solution.
Okay.
Click on active. You're supposed to have a file like this, sales analysis, PBIs in your own. Do you see that?
Yes.
So double click on it.
Okay.
It's load.
All right. Thank you.
So if it has
Sorry.
you see, can you,
under active, mine is empty.
Empty. Wow. Okay, let me do something so that I don't waste time there. Let me go to your, let me attach this file for everybody. Coming. Copy this file. Go and replace the one in your... Are you looking at my screen, Wayne? Is that Wayne?
Yeah, I'm looking at your screen.
Okay. Download this file and copy it to that all files folder. My solution there, go and copy inside my solution, inside active in my solution. I'm waiting for you quickly.
Sorry, Ebenezer, I click
Hello?
on the sales analysis now. It's, then enter your email address pop up.
You can cancel that. Cancel that.
Okay.
Wayne, how far have you gone? It's on your Telegram group. Wayne,
Okay,
you can download there.
I'm loading up Telegram so I can get it.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm already there.
Okay. So copy it, put it inside active in my solution under all files. That is, I'm saying, copy that file, come to this place, come to this place, all files are in my folder. Hello, are you? Hello? I'm in the class, I can't talk to you. Look at this all files, Wayne, all files inside my folder. Double click on it. Double click on PL300. Double click my solution. Double click my active. Right click and paste when you are inside this to override the one you have there. When you are through with that, come back to your Power BI. Click on File, Open, and locate that place and open the file. Can you be fast? Wayne, how far have you gone?
I'm downloading it now.
Okay, downloading it. Oh, so what's the memory of your computer, Wayne? Maybe you need to increase it.
No, it's not the memory, it's my connection is very bad.
Okay.
I'm right now, the connection is very bad. So I'm just gonna have to continue. When I get the file, I'll replace I'll add it to my active my solution.
Okay.
Let you know.
Okay. So simply come to transform data. Okay. So having examined all the qualities of the column that we did last week, column distribution, column profile, okay, and column quality. The next thing today, we want to progress in that direction. For you to have a data to analyze properly, you must redress your data in such a way that you carry the message of your organization. And one of the things we do is, as a data analyst, most of the time, the source of information does not describe the concept or the content you really want to analyze. So take for an example, I have a dim employee. It doesn't tell me what kind of information I want. So the first thing we are going to do is to configure all our tables. So all our queries. So we'll start with our dim employee. In employees table, as it is, every staff of Adventure Works were registered there. All the staffs, senior, junior, cleaner, special staffs, all of them are registered. Sales rep. But in the course of this analysis, I am interested in the sales rep. Sales rep. So I'm going to rename the table. I'm going to start by renaming the table. And how are we going to do that? You can rename your table. Look at my screen properly. Either you right click on the left hand side, dim employee, and you call up rename. That's one way to do it. Or you come to the other side, look at the other side of the screen, under query settings, properties, that's on the right hand side, name. You see query settings, properties, name. Inside that name, give a name to your table there. Here. This time around, I told you dim employee. I want to call it salesperson. Salesperson. Let me sound a note of warning here. You can call any object, any name of your choice. But for the sake and the purpose of this class, I want you to name whatever name we give it to your own. Because if you don't do that, it's going to cause confusion for you. Okay? So stick to the name that I'm giving so that when you are practicing, you can understand what you are doing. Any question? Hello, any question? It's talking to me?
No question.
Okay, good. Now, we've renamed it to salesperson. And when you come to the left-hand side, whatever you type on the right will appear there. Look at the left-hand side. Okay? That query has been renamed. Okay? Let's move on. So the query name determines the model name. Now, the next thing we want to do is look at the task bar. Look at the task bar. We saw it last week. Okay? What was the task bar carrying? Look and tell me what is on the task bar of Power Query Editor. What's there? From the left-hand side, what do you see?
33 columns, 296 rows.
Good, good. I remember I explained to you what rows, columns was about last week. But the question is this. I want to analyze my sales. I don't need 33 columns. I only need few columns out of all these. Okay? And again, I told you that you can have a table that has almost 1,000 columns, 500 columns, 700 columns. You can't be scrolling left and right like this. You can't be scrolling like this horizontally before you can see the content of the tables that you are working with. So at this point, we want to choose a particular column we want to analyze and filter on. What are we going to do? We'll come to home. Go back to home menu. Under manage columns. See, under manage columns, look at this side, manage columns. Mine is open. Some people's those are not open. You can see, choose a column, remove a column. Okay? Now, what we are going to do is under choose a column, click the arrow down there. You will see choose column or go to column. Click on go to column. So it's going to come up with the dialog box on your screen. Do you understand to that level?
Yes.
Okay. Now, looking at these columns like this, these are all the columns in the table that you are looking at. But the question is, when you look at it very well, is keeping the column name based on the way they create the table from top down, okay? But from this, you can see on the top corner there is A to Z and arrow down. That A to Z is to arrange alphabetically. So click on it. So it has arranged all the fields. It has arranged them horizontally to meet our understandings. Okay? Good. Sorry, it's asking the question. Use a name. Sorry, when you click on that A to Z, it's telling you national order or by name. Tell it you want to arrange it by name. Good. So you will now see all the names in alphabetical order. Okay? Now, we want to go to a particular column. We want to pick a column we want to go to. Look for salesperson flag. Salesperson flag. So come down and look for salesperson flag. This. Have you seen it in your own? Everybody. Is anybody talking to me?
Yes, we've seen it. I've seen it.
Okay. What are others? Catherine, have you seen your own? Ijoma, have you seen your own? Lanley, love it. Wayne, talk to me.
Mr. Ebenezer, I'm
Okay.
just listening for the class. My laptop is bad actually, so I would watch the recording and practice later. But I'm just
Okay.
watching. Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Okay. So can we move on, New House? Okay. So select or salesperson flag and click OK. So now, when you look at your screen very well, you see it has jumped to salesperson flag column. Can you see that? Your salesperson has been selected. Okay. Now, when you look at it very well, you will see a lot of false. There's an arrow pointing down beside the column heading. Click on this arrow. It's telling me 3 options. I have 3 things to pick from. Select all, is share, false, and true. But when you come to a place like this, uncheck your select all to make sure none is selected. Then you click your check button, true. Okay, that is when you remove the filter, I want to see everything together. But now that I have put true, I want to see the columns that are sales rep alone. So click OK. So if you look up now, you will see that I filter out all the employees that are not that are not, no. A worker that is not a sales rep employee. So all what you are looking at there is purely sales rep. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So having said that, okay. So now when you look at under apply steps, you see filtered rules there, meaning I've taken out the rules I don't need. Okay. We want to remove columns. I have 33 columns. I don't need all of them. Okay, good. Now the next thing we want to do is to remove the columns that we don't need. That's the next thing now. So go back to your home. There. Select manage columns. So come to your manage columns. This time around, instead of go to columns, click the arrow down under your choose column. Instead of go to columns, you see choose columns. Okay, so it comes up with this screen again with all of them checked. It's asking you choose column. If you follow the other one very well, okay, so you come to this, instead of go to column, you click on shows column, this. Okay, so now that we are here, unselect all the columns there, unselect them. So now, we want to select the columns that I want to analyze sales rep with. Employee key, employee national ID alternate key. Next to the first name. So first name, last name, then title, so now title, the email address, okay, title, after title, email address, yeah, so title, email address. Where is our email address? This. Check. So that means 6 columns. We are interested in 6 columns. Okay. So when you check all the columns you need, click on OK. So now and if you go to your properties pane on the right-hand side below it, you will see apply steps. You will see navigation filter rows. Filter rows is taking out rows that is not part of the project. Then remove other columns. You now see that we remove other columns. there. Any question? Any question?
No.
Okay. Now, further shaping of our data. Most of the time, look at the first name and last name that are written on different columns. No. When you are doing your official information, you don't do that. So, yes, we are analyzing for adventure works, but we have to do things that make our job easier. Okay? Good. Now, last name and first name is supposed to be a single column. So, what will you do? Click on the heading of the first name like this. This. Click on it. And the last name, hold down your control key and go and click on last name. Do you understand what I'm explaining there?
Yes.
So now you pick your first name and last name. So right click on any of the column and select merge columns. Merge columns. Okay, merge columns. So there are two things you are going to pick in that your merge columns. You pick separator. What do you want to separate these two entities? Okay, we are going to use okay. Comma, thank you. Pick comma to be a separator. No, not comma. It's name, space. Space. You know, when you write your first name, give a space, you always write a second name next. Aha. Thank you. In the merge here stand for new column. Okay. So you will delete it and put a descriptive name there. In case of this, you want to call it salesperson. Salesperson. Okay. So salesperson, when you are through with that, go to OK. Okay. So now you will see salesperson. And say it's good. So now, if you come to your tax bar, Wayne, what do you see on your tax bar? Can you tell us?
I'm just following.
Okay.
Sales
Who
analyst.
is following us in the class? What do you see at the bottom of your
5 columns,
query? Come
18
again.
rows. 5 columns, 18 rows.
Thank you. So you now you streamlined out your sales one to 5 columns, 18 rows. Okay, good. So if you want to scroll upside and down, you can do that. Okay. So that takes me to after the merge, okay. So the next thing is we want to rename some columns on our data. So locate your employee national identity ID alternate key. This, double click on it and just double click on it and give it a new name. Change the name, whatever you have there, to employee ID. Most of the time, because you see some unit of people working, talking, simply remove national from this name. So I want to delete national here. Then also I want to remove alternate key. So I have employee ID. Okay, that's that about that. Have you done your own? Who has done it in the class? Can I know?
I've done mine.
I've done mine.
You want to ask me a question? Okay, any question? Having renamed the employee national ID alternate key to employee ID, press enter. Then the next one is rename email address. Our email address will change to, you can, so email address, I want to rename it, right click on it and pick rename. Okay. So email address, rename. Where is the name?
Your renaming title.
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Yeah.
So here's my email address. So see the name somewhere below. Click on the name. This. So it's telling you to edit the name. So click on type UPN there. Universal Principal Name. And press enter. So from the bottom left, you see 5 columns, 18 rules, and these are the modification we want to. So these are the modification we want to use on sales rep table. So does it make sense to us?
Yes, but I would like to ask, what does UPN mean? What does it relate to email address?
Universal Principal Name, not more than that.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So let's move to second table to configure. Sales, the one we call salesperson region. The salesperson region. No, sorry. So we are looking for salesperson, deemed sales territory. We are looking at deemed sales territory. Okay. So deemed employee sales territory, where are you? This one, deemed employee sales territory. That's this. Okay. So we have a sales, employee sales territory now, deemed employee sales territory now. Okay. Now, rename this table as salesperson region. Okay. Okay. Now that we've seen deemed employee sales territory, right click on it there and rename. So change the name there to salesperson region. Sales, look at me, sales. Okay. Sales person okay. Sales person. Okay. Sales person region. Salesperson region. Okay. Salesperson region. Then press enter to accept it. Okay. And if you look at the right-hand side again, salesperson region is there. Then, in the queries, employees says in the query pane, select employee queries, that's the one we've done. Pane rename this so salesperson region, we've done that. Then, to remove the two columns, first select, there are two columns there that are linked to other table, dim employee and dim sales territory. Okay, so these two columns, we don't need it. Hold on your control key. Then on academic. So the two columns have been selected. These two columns that have been selected, we don't need them. We want to take them out. So now having done that, so we want to remove columns that we don't need. We don't need him employee, dim sales territory column. We don't need it. So click on dim employee and hold down your control key and hold down on sales, dim sales territory. This. Okay. Then right click any of the column and say remove columns. Okay. Good. So remove columns. Don't do remove other columns. Remove columns. So to concentrate on the one you selected.
Would hitting the delete key work as well, or just
No, you can't use delete key. It has to be right click, save. Let me bring it back a bit. So now look at the dim employee and dim sales territory. For this analysis of salesperson region, I just need the employee and the region they are covered. So I don't need it. So I'll click on dim employee, okay, and dim sales category. Sorry, dim employee one, hold down your control key, sales territory. Right click and remove. If you press delete, cannot even work. Right click and okay.
remove column.
Yeah, sorry, thank you. Remove column. So that two columns has gone. And if you look at your tax tax bar below, what do you see?
2 columns. Two columns,
Okay.
39 rows.
39 rows. How many columns?
2 columns.
2 columns. Okay. We'll finish with that one. Now the next table we want to look at is dim products. So dim products. Okay. Dim products. Rename your dim products to be product. So right click on it. Okay. So now that right click your dim product and rename it. Remove DIM in front and keep products. That's what we want to use to manage our table, products. Okay? Again, this time around, your product has raw materials and finished goods together. Okay? That's why we need to check the contents now. So, because we have finished goods, raw material, and other things, I have to fish out the good items, just like what we did when we were filtering earlier. So we are going to do the same thing here. We come to shoes column. Okay? Shoes column. So go to shoes columns, not go to this time around shoes columns. Okay? So it will list out every column in that table. Look at them as many. But this time around, no. A moment. Sorry. First is go to column. Go to column. I want to go to a finished good product. So when you come up with go to column screen, click on this A to Z to rearrange them. So now what do we want? In go to column, click on your A to Z to arrange it in alphabetical order. And when you click on A to Z, it's showing you 2 things, natural order or name. Just pick the name. Okay? Go to column. Look, now we've arranged alphabetically. Look for finished goods flag. Finished good flags.
It's right there.
Sorry? Finished good. See finished goods here. Click on this. Finished goods flag. Then click OK. It will take me to finished goods. Finished good is telling you the product that is ready to be sold. The goods that are ready to be warehousing for further sales. So now, click the arrow on top here. So now you see select all, uncheck it. We are asking for which finished goods do you have. So click on true. So it will tell me all the columns that it will take out, it will only go for, it will sieve out all the finished goods. Look at it now. Look at where your finished goods are. Can you see them? They are finished goods. Okay. Having done that, How many columns do you have? Can you check your status bar?
40 columns.
40 columns. How many rows?
397.
So, yeah?
300 and
397.
397. Thank you. Now, having done that, we have 40 columns here, but I don't need all the 40 columns to do my analysis. I don't need it. So all I need to do is I want to choose a column for myself. I want to choose the right column that I need. So you come to your, under your home, under your manage columns, you click here, shows column. Oh, sorry. I've already see shows column here. Good. Now, uncheck your select all, uncheck it. So every other field will.
Can I ask a question before we move?
Please go ahead.
Here?
Please go ahead, Wayne.
Okay, so what you're trying to do now is say, for example, you need only 4 columns. You're going to check just the 4 columns you need, and it'll display only 4 columns. But
Yes.
right now we have 40 columns, and not all columns have data in it. If you just wanted to remove
no, don't have that misconception. They have data, but I don't need them for the analysis I want to do. Is that clear?
But
they have data.
But what if, yeah, I get it. But what if you just want to remove all the blank ones that you can see and only leave the ones that actually have something in there that you can see? Is there a way to?
No, the column you are going to remove is driven by the analysis you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The component of the information needed on your analysis. We are simply simulating and demonstrating with here, but in real life, whatever column you want to take out or work on, you have to discuss with your line manager.
So for
him to understand.
Myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to select those columns myself.
Yes.
Okay.
So there must be an agreement between your employer and you, the column you need in your analysis, so you pick them. Okay. Take for an example, in this situation, I need a product key. I need a finished goods. Where am I? English product name.
Up.
Okay. No, hold on. I've done English product name. Where this. So you check it. Then the next one is standard cost. Here's a standard cost, check it. The next one is color, here's a color. The next one is dim product subcategory. That will scroll down a bit. So dim product subcategory, where is it? So dim product subcategory. So if you count very well, how many columns do they need there? How many columns do they need? Hey.
That's showing 4.
5 columns.
We need 5
columns. Yeah. The column you pick, 5 columns.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So by clicking OK, you are telling.
Please, can you say the 5 columns again? I have 4.
Okay. See, product key, English product name.
Yeah, I got it.
Standard cost, color, and finally you have the dim product subcategory. Good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are welcome. So click OK. Click OK. So when you click on OK now, what do you think happens?
It removed all the unwanted, unneeded columns, and you have only 5 now.
Good. If you look at the status, you see that you have only 5 columns, 397 rows. That is the column you want to analyze with. Okay? Now, let's see something. Look at your dim, the last column of the selection. Look at what you have here. You have values. Okay? This value is telling you that this column is linked to another table. Okay, it's linked to another table. Yes, that's the purpose of that. Good. Okay, so all the values is a link to another table. A link to another table. Okay. So now, and again, when you look at the products subcategory, look at the left-hand side of the header. You will see an arrow pointing to the left and the right there. Okay? That indicates it's connected to another column. I need a column from this place. So click on this button. So it's going to bring another column up for you. Okay? So select all columns here is checked, uncheck it. Just like we did others. Select English product subcategory name. English product subcategory name. Check this. And also dim product category. Dim product category is below. Check it. Then finally below, use original column name as a prefix. Say no. If you don't do this, it's going to attach the table name in front for you, but no. So that means I am expanding this dim product subcategory, and I am picking 2 columns from the table it links to. So I click OK. Please, do you do what I ask you to do? Uncheck select all, select English product subcategory name, dim product, uncheck use this column name as a previous. Are you okay with that? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so click OK now. Go to the right. You see another 2 columns has replaced the previous one. Okay, but check. English product subcategory name is a feed name. So it has accepted it's a column, nothing to change. But dim product category is still like before. Okay, it has a link to another table. It has a link to another table. So point to this place and expand the content of what it has. And it's this. Okay. So Uncheck select all. Okay. Now, when you uncheck it, we need a okay. So now, when you expand, which column do you want to pick from your the table you want to attach now?
Let's pick.
So we need your English product category name. So we are going to pick this English product category name. That's the only thing we want to pick here. Click OK. So you can see this time around it's not linked to anything, right? You can see all other columns there. And if we check at the bottom, how many columns do we have here?
6.
6. Thank you. So now, at this junction, let's complete our data. These are products table, product table, okay? Now, there is a column that has English product name, right? English product name for this column. So double click on it. That's another way to remove English in front of it. Sorry. So product, then remove the name. So that column I will change. Then standard course, put a space in between. And press enter. We are simply refining the columns now. Okay?
Question.
Come again.
The space between the standard and cost not going to cause a problem, as you know. Normally, the standard way to name stuff is no name, no spaces.
Come again. Sorry.
Will the space in between standard and cost cause a problem? You know,
No.
normally naming convention, we don't
this
put
thing
spaces.
is demonstrating that you can make changes. It won't cause any problem for you at all. No. But what we are demonstrating is we are painting every scenario at as many as possible scenario that you will come across in your journey of using Power BI. One of it is tomorrow you may want to have an heading that is clearly stated, not ambiguous. So you can redefine your column headings. Nobody will blame you for it. Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. So next to it is English product subcategory name. Simply change this thing to subcategory. English product subcategory name. Simply double click on it or right click. So you remove your English products. Please follow me very well. Oh, sorry. So now name. So you can see that I've changed that to subcategory. The next one is English product category name. Here, double click on it and change it to. So you take out all of that and retain the category. So take out English products. Remove name, so you have only category there. And press enter. So that is modification you want to do on your sales, dim sales territory table. Okay. So you will see 6 columns, 397 rows at the bottom of your bar. Let's increase our speed. The next one is reseller. Okay. Don't waste much time here. Rename your dim reseller, rename it reseller. Or I can always come back here and do it. So remove dim and leave it as reseller. Good. We want to remove all columns here. We have 22 columns. Okay? 22 columns. I want to, so we just need to repeat what we've done in the past. So come to your shoes column. Click on go to column. No, we want to choose this time around. Shoes column, not go to. Shoes, this one. So uncheck it. Here we need the seller key. We need business type. We need the seller name. We need dim geography. Okay, dim geography, this. So that's about 4 fields that you pick. Okay, so what other thing do we want? Nothing. So you click OK. Okay, so click OK. You can see that it has returned back to me 4 columns. But dim geography is a link to another table. So we need to expand and pick what we want. The way we expanded the other time, the arrow that upon left and right together. So click this, and this one show up. Again, I know what I want. Uncheck select all. I need a city. Okay. Next one, I need the state province name. State province name, this. Then English country region name. English country region name, this. Okay. So click OK. Okay. So you can see now that city, state province name, English country region name is now A. Good. So let's go on with our modification. Business type of this part is requesting that you put space in between business and type. Yes. So you separate business type, just like you did the other time to standard course, and you press enter. Okay. So remember the warehouse and warehouse space. See. Look at under your business type. Okay. So come to business type, So these are the things. Take note, look at your warehouse and warehouse. The one that are separated, there's something wrong. So this one is correct. Okay, good. So right click, the business type has been done.
Sorry, I didn't see what you said we should do with the warehouse.
Okay, look at it.
Yes.
Look at under this
Business type.
yeah, no, not that. Look at the filtering point of this column.
Yes.
Click on that filter as if you want to filter.
Okay.
It will show you the regular information captured. Specialty bike shop, value reseller. This thing is telling me that you write your where and house. That's not what you want.
Okay.
You only want this one.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. That's what I see. Are you clear?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now,
but what do we do with it? Because are we going to remove it?
We are working on it now. Okay. Right click on business type and click on replace values. Okay, so replace value. Which one? So I want to replace where breakdown house. This. Can you see what I just wrote now?
Yeah.
I want to replace with where house. Can you see? Above I'm saying I want to replace when it's wrong for us to capture where and house differently. It's one word, not two words. So by the time you are through here, click OK. If you go back to the filtering point now, do you see all those things there? You only see one warehouse. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. So these are things you pay attention to when you're analyzing your data so that you have correct things to do. Okay. Good. Okay. So now go back to state province name. Okay. Remove name and put hyphen between the state province. So double click here and rename it. Check out name. And in between state and province, put hyphen and press enter. The same thing we are going to do for the last column. Country region. Double click on it. English, take it out. So double click on it and put hyphen between the two. So this is cleaning of your table. That's all you need to work with. 6 rows, 701 rows in your reseller. 6 columns, 701 rows. Any other question? Any other question, please?
No.
Okay. Now we are going to dim sales territory. Dim sales territory, rename it to be region. Okay. Now rename it as region. Simply go to on the right hand side there, just type region in the name. So I will name it region. I need only 4 columns here. No. I need about 4 columns. Then we need to filter out under sales territory alternate key. Filter out 0 here. Sales territory alternate key. 0 is there. So click on that filter button and uncheck 0. Uncheck 0 alone. All other things you leave it. And click OK. Good. So you see I'm taking out, that's the headquarter row. I'm taking it out. Okay. Now I will remove all columns here and keep only 4. So I'll go to shows column. Okay, so until let's select all. Sales territory key, I need it. Sales territory region, this. Sales territory country, this. Sales territory group, this. That's the only 4 columns I need. Any question for me?
No.
No. Okay. So I will click OK. So this all remains there. Good. So change your sales territory region to region alone. So that's that region. Next to it is country. So remove all your sales territory and leave country alone. Also group. So you can take all other things. Good. So that's your region table. Let's move on. We need to reconfigure this table tonight. So the next one I want to look at is fact sales reseller, fact reseller sales. Okay, good. Name this sales table. So right click on it and call it sales. See now. So take out sales. Now, we want to remove all columns. I have 21 columns there, but I only need 11. Okay? I will come to choose column that we've been using. Choose column. It lists all of the columns there, but I don't need all. Uncheck, select all. I need sales order number, this. I need order date, this. I need product key, this. Reseller key, yes. Employee key, yes. Sales territory key, yes. Order quantity, yes. Unit price. Total product cost. Sales amount. Okay. Sales amount, then dim products. So that's all we need. That means select, so click OK. You'll agree with me that you have 11 columns there. So that's all the 11 columns I need. So many rows will not have a total product cost, but we'll do that later. Okay. Now, when you look at it, you still have a dim product that is attached to another table like before. So expand it. Yeah. So now I only want a column here. So uncheck all, pick your standard cost, this, and click OK. So I've added standard cost, and the rest is still 11. Okay. So bring up standard cost there. So now you see all your column that you will work with there. Okay, let's move on.
Sorry, I have an error on mine.
What's the error?
They show me data source error. Microsoft SQL network. I don't know what I pressed.
No, you shouldn't refer to that one again. Share your screen, let's see, quickly.
Okay, I'm coming. Share screen.
You just come. Wow. You. You know what I'm going to do?
No?
Do you know what I'm going to do?
No.
Let me close and apply here. Let me do close and apply here. Close and apply will apply all the changes. I want to send my file to you so that you continue. I don't want to waste time. So hold on. Is applying all settings I have done up to this level. Okay. Let's hold on. Okay, guys, too. So let me go back to our Telegram.
It's actually just not something.
Okay, I'm going to sales analysis. Send. So when go to close your page, close your Power BI, go and copy sales analysis.
Okay.
And replace it on that file and replace it.
Okay. So I should close the Power BI.
Yeah, close the part. Download what I just. Okay, go to your open your Telegram now.
Okay, I'm opening it now.
Okay. Now, where's your Telegram? Now go to your group. Download the sales analysis. No, see the one below. Which one is that?
That's what I'm trying to download.
This lower one?
Yes.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Save it. Then you go and copy it to that your folder.
Okay.
I didn't say open no. Can't see this one to open.
This file has been that she wants. Should I open it?
No, now see, calm down. No, cancel that.
Yeah.
Cancel what there's a box on your screen. Cancel or open. Cancel it. Now pick sales analysis on this Telegram. The last thing there. Click on that.
I'm clicking. This was showing me.
I think you see downloading it. Just hold on. Don't click the upper one. Just hold on. Is it the one bringing this one?
Yes. Once I click on it, it shows me this.
I don't want to open. I want save. Click on cancel the box up. Just download it now. Wait, right click. Come to the click on that button. Click on that object. Click on it.
This
click
file.
on that. Click on that. Are you sure? It's not supposed to say open, it's supposed to say save. It's supposed to say save. What's happening on your screen?
It keeps showing me.
No, don't click. Don't click. Right click on these objects. Cancel that. Cancel. Cancel what is showing up here. Okay. Now right click. Right click. Click on save as. Save as. So go and locate your all files so that you be in the same location. All files. Locate. Yeah, double click on data. All files. Double click on all files. So my solution, double click on that. Active. Okay. So save it here. Save.
I should replace it.
Yes, replace it. Say yes.
Done.
So wait to, has it done it?
Yes.
So go and open your Power BI now. Go and do your Power BI. I'm waiting.
Okay.
So click on File Open. Go and open it.
I'm opening my
So,
Power BI again.
huh?
I'm opening my Power BI.
Yes. Where are we? I can't see your screen again.
My screen is showing. That's my screen. It's showing on the screen now.
Oh, that means you didn't share the entire screen. Has it loaded your this thing? I can't see your part. Okay, okay. It's coming up now.
So should I go and get data?
Cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Cancel it now. Why are you leaving it? Click the X. Hey.
That means
Is that
it takes
box
a
I
while to
want you
show on
to
your screen.
close? Eh?
It takes a while to show on your own screen because it was showing on, I'm using two laptops, so it's already showing on mine.
But you already closed the Power BI now. That's not what I didn't ask you to
Yes.
close it. I just want to close the box.
It's opening back
You
up.
close it?
It's opening back up now.
Okay.
So I should close this.
The dialog box that pump up. There's a dialog box I want you to connect to internet. That's what I asked you to close.
I've closed it now.
It's loading, let it load. This green box, click, see there, or yeah, click File Open. Click
This
File
one?
Open. No, up. Click File Open. You want to go and open your sales analysis now.
Yes.
So, with Browse Report. See Browse Report. Click on Browse Report. Okay. Double click on it and open it. Good. So we are where I am. Under look at your transform data. Go and click on transform data. Transform data. Transform data. Good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this guy stop as did you say territory or what? Hey.
I think you can go ahead. I'll just watch the video and reset it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So stop sharing. Stop sharing now. Good. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, your screen is showing.
Okay. So everybody, let's go together. We've done our sales. Okay. So now, want to create a custom column. Okay. On the add column ribbon, this one, click this menu, add column ribbon. Inside our general group, select custom group. Here is a custom group. This, click on it. So a new dialog box comes up. So in this window, in the name of the new custom, type cost. Type cost, please. In the custom column formula, here, custom column formula, enter, type what I want to type. Follow me as I am typing. Now type as I type. If, press square bracket, square, there's a square brace on your system, press it to open the bracket. Pick total product cost. Here is total product cost. Click on it. It has closed the bracket there. Press space bar. Equal to sign. Please, are you following me? Hello, class. Are you following me?
Yes.
Good. Now, after equal to, give a space and type null. Okay? Space. Then type then, THN. Then, other quantities. Press your square brace, open the brackets. Select your other quantity, this. Bracket has closed. Press space. Put your multiplication there. Then open your square bracket again. Pick standard cost. Okay. So standard cost. Press your space bar. Type else. Then square brackets. Put your square brackets. And look for total product cost. This. Okay. If all things being equal, you will see it's going to give you a no syntax error at the bottom. Is that what you have? Hello, is that what you have? Hello, class, are we together?
I'm just viewing at this point because my laptop, of what happened to my laptop. So I'm just watching what you're doing.
Same.
What of others? Ijeoma, Larry, love it. Are you following me?
Yes, I'm following you. I need to type in what you have just now.
Love it, are you there with me?
Yes, I'm still.
Okay. If all things being equal, then I'll move on.
Mr. Beniz, I'm here too.
Oh, Emilia, how are you?
I'll be fine when I sleep. I wake up, sir.
Okay. You came in a bit late. Sorry for
I am
that.
sorry. I was doing sprint planning.
Yes,
Our
I was
SM
too.
was
Sorry.
away.
I like you are facilitating a meeting.
Yes.
At times, some of these things interwoven that way. We just manage ourselves.
My apologies, sir.
You are welcome. You are most welcome. So if you follow me, let me copy this formula and explain. Click OK. So it has generated a column cost for you. And this is what this formula is doing. Let me show you. You are writing a formula that has a question. You are saying if the total, you are checking the rows of your sales one by one. And you are now saying if you are in a sale, if the column total product cost equals to null, just like you rightly show on the screen, null, that is, there is no calculation for it, then do other quantity multiplied by standard cost. These are standard costs. Where the other quantity should be somewhere. Let me just scroll out. See, you are doing quantity multiplied by cost price to give you the cost. Okay, good. So if the total product cost column is null, do other quantity multiplied by standard cost. Otherwise, if it's not null, just copy what is on total product cost under cost. So that is what you are saying there. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. If that is clear, you are telling yourself, I don't need total product cost and standard cost. Okay? So you look for your total product cost, this, and locate your standard cost. Where is standard cost? See your standard cost, hold down your control key and click on your standard cost. Okay? You are to remove it. We don't need it. Right click any of the columns and say remove columns. Don't click on remove other columns. It's going to remove other ones and keep these two. But on remove columns, click on it to remove total product cost and standard cost. So what we are doing is to manage our table our query that we do not carry unnecessary data to Power BI. That's how we are removing it because we don't need it. Okay? So having done that, then the next thing is we want to rename our columns. We'll start with other quantity. That's other quantity. Here is
Mr.
other
Lisa,
quantity.
do you delete or you remove?
Remove. You right click, that's your total product cost and standard cost. Right click on that and you remove. But remember, your total product cost and standard costs are not adjacent together. There is another column in between. So you select one of the columns, then you hold down your control key and click the second column. That's when you have to select them together.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we want to rename our columns. Your other quantity, rename it to be quantity. Take order out of it. Okay. I'm cleaning our data quantity. Then unit price, I want a space in between unit and price. So unit and price, then press enter. Then sales amount. Column that has sales amount, I want to remove sales and keep it as amounts. No, sorry. I'm to remove amount and put it as sales. Sales like that. Okay. That's that. Then one more thing. We want to modify the column type in quantity column header. Look for your quantity. This is 1.1 on the right. In front of the quantity header, you have 1.2 there, telling me this is real. But quantity is not a real number. It's not a decimal number, it's a whole number. So click on this 1.2 in front of the quantity. Click on this and select whole number. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so having done that, so your unit, change the following unit price, take them, click on 1.2 beside them, then pick fixed decimal number, this. Also go to your sales too, click on it, and pick fixed decimal number. Do the same thing for your course. Remember your course you just create. It's showing it in test one, that's why you have ABC 1, 2, 3. It's calling it alphanumeric. Click on this button for this and turn it to fixed decimal number. So in the status bar, you have 10 columns, 999 plus rows. So I need to tell you something there. 999 plus means 1,000 and more. You can only see the first 1,000 of your record on this interface. If you have, say that you have a table that has about 1 million records, you only see the first 1,000, the remaining 999 will sit on your computer that when you need it, it comes up. Okay, good. So that is that about that. Now the next query, you want to test is your reseller sales target. This. Rename it to be targets. Targets. So, and press enter when you are through. So I've changed the name of the seller says target to targets. Now, this has a pivot content. We need to unpivot it. Okay? We need to unpivot it. Now, look at month 1 to 12. So it's telling us targets on monthly basis. Okay? Now click on year, select column of year, hold down your control key, select employee ID. 1 minute, please. Let me just use myself. Now, you selected year and employee ID. Okay? Right-click either of the selected column, right-click any of them, and select on pivot order columns. Don't make mistake. On pivot order columns. Okay? Click on it. So it has turned it to general table for us to analyze. So note that the names of the column now appear under attributes. And the value
Mr.
appear under
Ebenezer,
values.
please, can you repeat what you said about the...
See,
pivot other columns.
select year.
Okay.
Select, click on years, hold down control key, select employee ID, then right click.
Okay. All right.
Any of the columns. Then you now go to pivot other columns. That is,
right.
Don't aggregate them on monthly basis again.
Okay.
Let every data be on its own. So pivot other columns. That has been done. So you can see yearly, month by month. It's not aggregating it on yearly basis again. Okay? Good. Now, the hyphen, look at under your values. You see hyphen there. Those hyphens are representing that there are no data capture, there are no targets set for those periods. So click on the filter point under your value. Look at the filter, click on it. Okay? And this comes out. Uncheck the hyphen part. That is, I don't need the hyphen. Uncheck it. Okay? And click OK. It keeps all that record and remove the hyphen. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So having done that, look at your attributes. Rename your attribute to month number. So double click on attributes and call it month number. Month number. And press enter. Okay? Then double click on your value and call it target. Press enter. Good. So for you to prepare your month number column, right click the month number where column header and select replace values. So under your month number, right click this one and select replace values. Yes. Okay. Type, in front of the month there is MMM. Type M here, value to find, capital M. Replace with nothing. So click OK. Don't put anything, replace it. So click OK. So I'm taking out that, I'm turning my month number to months. That's how I'm taking the letter out. Okay. So your month number is showing ABC it shows a string, but month number is a whole number, not string. So click on ABC and click O and select whole number for your month column. On the add column, so look at your add column menu, okay? Under the general tab, so select the column from examples. The first thing there is a column from examples. So click on it. If you notice that the first thing you see there under year is 2017. 2017. If your system is not if it's not configured to recognize British mode of capturing dates, it's supposed to show you 2017. And the date format might likely be different. America will write month before day. British will write day before month. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Okay. In the column 1, the cell 1 there, we want to generate a date column. So because, well, Microsoft is about America. So if you know that your system is configured as a date, as a day before month and year, British, start this thing with 1. That's the first day of the month of July, 2017. But for me, because my computer is American spec, so I will write 7. I want to generate a date, 7/1/2017. This, okay? So I want to generate a date column from my month number and year. So I press enter or I click OK, anyone. So it has generated a date column for me. And I want to draw your attention to, I think I mentioned sometimes last week that your Power Query, your Power BI has an artificial intelligence embedded in it. If you upload as many as possible tables onto your Power BI, when the artificial intelligence embedded in it will identify the smallest date and the highest date you have here. Okay, good. So check your date. How is your own date? My own is month before day. It's all like that. That's how you have 7/1/2017, 8/1/2017, 9/1. All those 7, 8, 9 are the month of July, August, September, October, November, December. Am I communicating? But how is your own date? Who is where I am? Nobody is talking to me.
No, I haven't gotten there.
What's happening? So does it mean nobody follows me? You've watched the video later or what?
Yeah, this one. Just this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just notice all the cells you predicted.
Hello, Mr.
Number.
Benison.
Come again.
Hello, is Emilia?
Yeah.
I'm sorry because you guys have gone far. I'm not able to follow, but I'll watch the video.
Okay, watch the video and ask questions when it arises.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Good night.
So the future has actually predicted that you are coming from value from the year. Okay, that's month number. So you see the formula presented above the grade and co. Go ahead and rename this column March. So it gives the name March because you match your year and month together. So call it target month, target month, target month. Okay. So we've gotten our target month. Remove. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Good. So we are going to remove the column year and month number because we generated a date. So click on year, hold down your control key and click on month number. Okay. Then remove it, right click, remove column. Don't remove other columns. Remove columns. So you have your 3 columns and 809 rows. You have to modify the following data types. Target as a fixed decimal number. So you then click this and fix decimal number. Okay. Then target month is a date. So this one is captured as a string, but it's a date. So good. So you can see that your you can see your target and target month has been adjusted. Now, we want to multiply target because your target is in thousands. So we are going to multiply by 1,000. Okay? Click on target column, this. Click on target column header. And then on transform ribbon tab from inside the number group. So here on your transform, click on transform. Okay. Under the number column, see number column below here. Look at standard. Click under your standard. Click multiply. Okay. And what value? Multiply every cell in target by 1,000. Type in 1,000 here. And click OK. Good. All data is captured in thousands now. Okay. Okay. So now you have them in thousands. Good. So sure that you have 3 columns and 809 rows. We will soon round up these parts. We want to do the last part. We want to configure our color formats. That's the last table to configure. What do you notice on the first row here? What do you notice on the first row here? Can anybody look at the screen and talk to me?
Same name, just different number.
No. Look at the heading that you have there. Heading of the field or the columns. What do you notice?
Column 1, 2, 3.
Column 1, 2, 3. That's generic. Look below it. Immediately below, what do you notice?
Color. Background.
Don't you identify that the column below is your column for this one, not generic column 1, column 2, column 3. You have color.
Yes.
Background color format, font color format. That's your headers.
Real headers.
Real header. So what you are going to do is that under your home, click on home. Okay. Then from inside transform group, look, here is transform. Look at use first row as header. Select the arrow pointing down there. Use first row as header. Click it. So it has automatically promotes it for you. Okay, and take note in the status. How many columns do you have in this table?
3. 3.
3. So, and you have 10 rows.
10 rows.
Okay, that takes me to the end. And the final thing we need to do, we want to update our product query with this. Remember, those, when we are expanding our reseller table, our product table, we link a table together. We want to do something like that now. I want to link this table to product table. Okay? It's only we will complete our own there. Okay?
Okay.
So select your product query. Click on product. Have you done that? To match column formats, query on it. Go to home. We are home. Select combine down arrow under your home. Look at combine on the extreme end here. Okay, so click the arrow down under this combine, and you will see two things there: match columns, match query, and append query. Click on match queries. You want to match queries. Yes. You want to match two tables together. So the first one is your product that you selected. The second one is your color format. So you come to this place and pick color format. This. Okay. So now that you've done that, okay, now you click on match query. In the match query window, you select your product grid is selected. Go and click on color under your product, color column, and under your format, click on color. So that's a common key for the two of them. Okay, so now, okay, now it's supposed, if you are following me, it's supposed, because I have done my over and over, it has assumed this. It's supposed to bring a privacy level. So you will see under localhost, you're supposed to be organizational, another GT hub content, organization. Okay, if all things being equal, it will be there that way. Okay, so and even you see that you'll have pick organizational. Otherwise, just click on OK.
So
Okay.
I didn't see anything pop up on your screen.
Yes, mine have done, and that's what I was explaining. Do you see the pop-up in your own?
No, I don't, because I'm just viewing. I haven't got this. I'm watching yours.
If you are doing it for the first time, it will pop up a privacy level for us. Okay. And in that privacy level, there will be a place for you to select under localhost, pick organization, under the other URL, pick organizational, and click on save. While I'll click on OK now.
Okay.
Okay, so click OK. When you do that, you simply merge your color formats and all the content here. Can you see it?
The products.
But remember, it's telling you this is a link to another table. A link to another table.
So instead of value, it says table.
Yes. This instead of value is saying table, because it's a whole table that is linked together here. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So if we go to the drop-down arrow, we'll see all the the columns of the original.
We want to import the color to products. So you click this, you look at the button on the left-hand side of this field, on this column there. Yeah. So just click on this button to expand it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So I want uncheck all. Select your background color and I select all. Okay, select background color format and font color. Then use original column as name previous. No, uncheck it.
Yeah.
It will have appended the column name of color format to this. I don't need that. Just import the colors. Click OK.
Okay.
So when you do that, click OK. Can you see now it has imported the color, both background color and font color. It has been imported to this table of your products. Okay, so that takes me to one more thing to finish up with. Go to your, let's update our color format now. I've imported everything in color format to my product, whereby each of the product will take its own color. That's the purpose of the color that you are seeing there. So click on color format. Click on color format. Under all properties, if you look at this screen, you see all properties there. Okay?
Yeah.
Click on all property. So to bring up this, now uncheck enable to load these reports. That I also take out here. So now click OK. We are simply saying that when we are saving this data, don't take color format along. I don't need it.
Isn't that the same as just removing it?
Come again?
Isn't that the same as just removing it? Just after
No. It's different. By the time you are doing apply, when you are applying all the settings, it's going to take out color format on its own.
Okay.
So that takes us to the end of the lab. So officially, this is the point I'm supposed to click on close and apply, so that all settings that I was doing earlier will be applicable. So you wait for it. It takes a little while because I've done it once. Good. If you look at on your data pane on the right-hand side, do you see color format here now? Did you see there?
On the right-hand side.
Yeah, here. On the right-hand side of your screen, where you have data pane, data.
Data, yeah, I see it.
Look at the list of all your queries below: product, region, reseller, salesperson, region, and targets.
Yeah.
That's all you have. So at this point, you clean your data, ready for analysis. Okay? So thank you. Any question for me?
I have one, but I didn't know we'll get here. I don't know if we can still see. There was in the data, there was one of those tables that you looked at straight away and said, this one has a pivot table in it. How do you know when you see data that it has a pivot table in it?
Please come again? How do you?
I can't remember if it was targets or if it was sales. Once we got to that, you said this one has a pivot table. So how did you know, based on just looking at it, that it had a pivot table?
Okay. You know, the question is, pivot table you will identify as an aggregated table. because this is a sample data, but when it comes to the data you prepare yourself, or the data your management, they will tell you the details about the table, the content of the table. They will explain to you. Remember, you are not working in isolation. You are working in conjunction with other members of the team from the management that is giving you a guide on what you want to do. So they will always tell you that it's an aggregated information. And when you are going to warehouse, you lose all those things and put your data in a warehouse for you to manage properly. Is that clear?
Okay, yeah.
You're welcome.
I don't know how to manipulate pivot tables, so I just wanted to be sure that I didn't miss anything, you know.
Okay, great. So, friends, we are rounding up our class here. Any question, put it on the Telegram for me to answer.
Okay.
Thank you. Please watch the video, check yourself there, and try and catch up with everything. Thank you.
From the next class, we're gonna start from here, right? This is
of course.
So before we come for the next class, we should all be here, because the problem I've had is I've missed a couple of steps, and it's difficult to catch up while the class is going on because everybody's system is different, and sometimes I feel I don't want to hold up the class, so I'm like, just go ahead and watch the video. But
watch the video. When you have any confusion, just call me. I'll explain to you.
No worries.
Even though if I'm at work, I will schedule a time to explain to you.
No problem.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ebenezer.
Thank you, team. God bless you all.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a good evening, man.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.